Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and today we are Monday, January 13th, 2020, and this is a week with a lot of stuff happening, so I wanted to do a little roundup of what to expect this week and what we'll be talking about this week, of course. The first one, Windows 7. Tomorrow is the last patch Tuesday for Windows 7 users. That means tomorrow you'll be getting your last security updates, and that what is called end of support. End of support means now, from now on, you're on your own, but we did learn a few things about Firefox web browser. They said that right now there's no plans to ditch Windows 7. We learned that Google Chrome is going to support Windows 7 for at least 18 months. Several antivirus software will continue updating and being updated for Windows 7 also. So you got, if you stay there, which is not the best of ideas, but if you do stay in Windows 7, there's a number of ways to mitigate the dangers. But as time goes by, you'll be more and more exposed to malware and problems online. So do think about it. Once again, if you have a valid Windows 7 key, you can upgrade free to Windows 10. It still works. You just enter that product key and it's going to upgrade for you for free. The other news item for this week will be Microsoft Edge Chromium being officially released. That is going to happen Wednesday, January 15th. And Microsoft Edge Chromium is the new browser by Microsoft. It's based on the open source standard Chromium, and it is going to be interesting. The test that we're doing right now, it really works well. I've been using it as my main browser, honestly, both the Canary and the developer versions. And I have to say, it works great. One of the problems, of course, with this is that they'll probably be missing some new features and some interesting features that people want. It won't have certain features that people love from Microsoft Edge, original Microsoft Edge browser. But, as time goes by, there's going to be more and more of those updates because they're going to continue working on it. They did say that they'll release Edge Chromium, but it will not be finished yet. So expect more to come on this as we go by. So this is this week. It's going to start rolling out. We'll have a full review this week of Edge Chromium and my own personal observations on the browser. And finally, tomorrow will be Patch Tuesday. Tomorrow is that time. January 14th will be the second Tuesday, of the month of January 2020. And the second Tuesday means Patch Tuesday is upon us. Security updates will be there tomorrow. So lots is going to happen. Of course, we always take a look at all the updates on Patch Tuesday and see what they are going to be all about. It's going to be interesting to see how many security flaws within Windows and the different software around it, including the browsers and so on. So a big week ahead, actually. I hope that you enjoy our videos, that you continue following us. Of course, we are here, and we are always at, the forefront of the news. We are always looking at what's happening. So this is a great place to be to understand what's going on in the world of Windows and Microsoft in general. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.